what can people do for converts? Converts need you to be their family. That's the long and short of it. When someone becomes a Muslim, you don't know what's going on at home. Worst case scenario, they get completely disowned from their parents, from their relatives, disinherited often, right? And this is something that's kind of difficult for folks who are born into Muslim families to understand. All the kind of intergenerational wealth that happens through inheritance, all of kind of your contacts and social networks that help get you jobs, that help get you a spouse, like these things don't exist for a lot of converts. So more than you piling them high with books to read or sending them YouTube videos or, these sorts of things, they really need you to be their family. Converts need a replacement family. And if you're one of the converts that's able to have a good relationship with your biological family, alhamdulillah, that's great. But it still doesn't mean that that's enough, because you're going to want to marry a Muslim spouse. You're going to want to get a halal job. You're going to want to surround yourself. You're basically making an intergenerational intervention. Like your sort of lineage was like on a trajectory, and if you converted, you're like hijacking the ship and you're turning it around and saying, nope, we're going this way, right? So in order to make sure that everything just doesn't go back the way it was going after you die, you need to kind of surround yourself, your kids with, a whole sort of ecosystem of supports. So if you're a Muslim who's born into a Muslim family, you really just be that person's like adopted parents or adopted brothers. It's like there's things that are well known, such as Eids and the iftars and things like that. Like so many converts have them alone, right? Eating peanut butter and jelly sandwiches at sundown in some room somewhere by themselves, right? Make sure that the converts in your community, they have somewhere to go. And it can't be just like, oh, let me know if you need anything, or yeah, anytime, brother, anytime you want, you can come over. Come on, like people are too shy to take advantage. Like you have to be like, Tuesday, you're coming with me to my house, let's go, right? And then you have to be sensitive to if a person needs a job, especially when a person needs a spouse. Like so many converts need help getting married and finding someone, it's like, challenge your networks and be like, hey, I know this brother, I know this sister, they would maybe be a really good match for it's just about being proactive. Like a lot of people don't think about it until it's too late, or it's, you just have to basically adopt them, figuratively speaking, as your kids, and look out for their interests in the way that someone would look out for their own kids. You're planning for your kids' education. You're planning for your kids' marriage. You're planning for your kids' future. Converts need that sort of support, and they need that type of support maybe more than anything.